Okay guys, we're out here today. We're getting ready to head out to go drop off some scrap trucks. As you can see, we have a lot of the trucks that we use through the TV shows and whatever, we part them out. I mean, most of them are Dodge trucks. A lot of them are just trucks that we buy and just use the little things that we need to make throttle linkage, take the motors out of them, transmissions, whatever. So these are pretty much all donor trucks that we're taking back. Some of them were just abandoned at my shop, and we're gonna take them to Kingman, Arizona today. We're gonna go see my buddy Dan at Dan's Auto and Salvage, and we're gonna drop these trucks off. What's really unique and cool about today is it's very seldom you ever see a second gen Dodge versus the first gen Dodge over here. Let's walk over and take a look at this thing real quick. Today, this is gonna work out good because I'm heading down the road right now, heading to Kingman, Arizona. I'm gonna go see my buddy Dan over at Dan's Auto and Salvage. Now, you guys have probably seen a bunch of footage of me out at this junkyard. There's probably, there's gotta be 50 acres of cars. He's got three different junkyards out there that are really cool. The thing about this junkyard that I want to tell you real quick is it actually sits on Route 66. So Route 66 used to run literally through the middle of this junkyard. I mean, back in the day before it was, when they put in the I-40, they, basically got rid of the Route 66. So now they've bought the land that sits on the old asphalt road, and when we get there I'll show you the actual asphalt of the Route 66. It's kind of cool. I mean, if you're ever down in Kingman, you drive out of Kingman heading towards Yucca, Arizona, about, I don't know, 3 or 4 miles from Kingman, you'll see a Volkswagen bus up on top of the building of Dan's Auto and Salvage, and that's right where this wrecking yard is, and you can actually see Route 66. Really cool. Anyway, I'm gonna keep going here. I got this U-Haul driver in front of me that doesn't know if they want to drive 40 miles an hour or 70 miles an hour. It depends on if they're eating donuts and drinking coffee, or if they're actually focused on driving the road with some Rob Zombie playing in the background. So anyway, I better get my hands back on the steering wheel before we get in a wreck. Okay, so we made it to Dan's Auto and Salvage. Here we are. This is like one of my favorite places to come. It's right here on the I-40. If you guys are cruising down the 40 highway coming into Kingman, this is the place to come check out. It's just cool. There's so much stuff here. If you're a car guy, you're gonna love this place. But come in here and check out the inside. We still got the old books in here. Look at this. See? No computer. No computer in here. You need something, Dan looks it up right here. So this is Dan's computer right here. Still got shit laying on the shelves. Look at this. You never know what you might need when you walk in here. I love the clutterness of it. You know, I'm sure Dan forgot half the shit that's in here. Let's go in here. I want to show you this little room. Look at this right here. Isn't this cool? I mean, could you remember all this stuff? Look at this. We got a throttle cable for a 1986 El Camino. You know, I don't know. Who knows what it is? Looks like it's something from the 80s. You come through here, you can go out the back. And this is where the fun begins. Here guys, come check this out. So here's a hood to a 35 Ford. Look at this. A trunk back. How many guys are out there probably looking for one of those right now? If you're looking for one, you better call Dan over here and get this thing. But if you look underneath all these fan shrouds right here, you got a bunch of fan shrouds here, plastic ones, late model stuff. Underneath here is literally piles of gold. We got Model A wheels in here. We got some old doors, probably off an old Dodge, Roadster Dodge. That looks like a rear door on a 4-door. There's just tons of good stuff in here. There's stuff from probably the 20s, 30s, all the way up into the 40s in here. I can see a bunch of doors in here from the 40s. It's pretty cool. There you go. I like to see that. This is my favorite Ford style. I love that grill shell. It's like a 68, 69. I like this here. You know what it is, Dan? About a 68 or 69? Yeah. Yeah, I like that body. I like them grills. Ooh, that's a sweetie right there. Put you a, go look at it. God, it'd be a shame to take the bed off that one. You can't, shit, that fucker's really not in bad shape. Yeah. I don't want to mess with that. Oh, it does? That's a good motor. I'll bet you we could fire that up and drive it out of here. Put money on it. You know what? That'd be a good YouTube video. We can come back to Dan's Junkyard, fire up this 306 and drive it around. Change the tires on it and get it running. We'll do a remote gas tank on it, get it running. That'd be fun. Those would be fun videos. Whatever is close to making run out here, we should come out and make it run. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it. Oh yeah, dude, I'd clear this bitch out. I like this. What I do to help you boys? What you looking for? Cross member and an old Ford? Or looking for a front left fender on a 1972 Chevy truck? Yeah, we got everything here. We got Fords, we got Chevys, we got some Daihatsus out back, a couple of them Nissans. You know, we don't mess around with too many Toyotas. Started making them Priuses and took us out of business. Anyway, if you're looking for something good, maybe a steering rod for a 1997 Dodge, we got a few of those. We got some 4-wheel drive axles, got some Dana 80s out back. So just let us know what you're looking for. Go ahead and walk around and check it all out. You need a key to your 72 El Camino? Bam. You need one for your Nissan? Bam. Yeah. You need a crescent wrench to take the front axle out of that Nissan? This is all you need right here. Come back and let me know. So this blue one I like. Yeah, give me a price on that blue one, Dan. Think about it. I mean, I don't know. I'm thinking about, huh? Let's go look at it. Got over there, Mike. We should go look at that when we get back. You got to see this other one. Yeah, there you go. That green one's cool. right there for the Dodge.
That yellow Ford's nice right there. It's got a really nice front clip.
Here's that little four-wheel drive. 79. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that one's really good shit. Well, the front fender's a little fucking jacked up. Is it rusted or is it just bent? Okay, bye. Country. I think I'd leave stickers on it. This thing's pretty legit. I'd like to do a whole story on picking this out of here and everything. Taking it back to the shop. Build a nasty little LS for it. Put some disc brakes on the front. I think the steering's all jacked up on it, but let's fix that anyway. Let's see a few things. Well, you know for a fact it's been sitting here for a while. How long has it been here, Dan?
Probably close to 30 years.
Really?
Yep.
Can you pull on that? It is a Pontiac motor, isn't it? Oh, I don't have hinges. Okay. See that shit? Been sitting here a while. At least the hood matches. See, I want one that kind of, I mean, if you either gotta find one that has everything there, or piece one all together. You know what I mean? And because this one's all, you know, it's got a crash right here in the front, but I might be able to pull some of that out. Okay guys, so we made it back. We went to Kingman. I hope you guys enjoyed the junkyard over at Dan's. It's a great time. There's always such cool stuff to find there. Every time I go there, there's something new. And you know, let me know, what are you guys a bigger fan of? The second gen or the first gen? I'm pretty torn between the two of them. Like I said before, I really love the ride of the second gen, but I love the nostalgic of the first gen. They're such a dependable truck. They did good. I think Chase, he pushed it a little harder than I did on the way down there. And I could tell because when we fueled him up at the gas station, he had burned a little bit more fuel than me. But you know, I really love both these trucks. Make sure you guys comment and let me know. I want to know because it's always such a big debate on which team you're on. Are you a first gen or are you a second gen guy? Let me know. Also, like and subscribe, and we're going to keep making these videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one.